So this is the question. We are given with two type of sorted arrays, and we have to merge these sorted arrays in such form that we can replace these three with the uh, elements of this array in sorted manner. Like one, what we are requiring an output, we want to it to be like, yeah, 1 2 2 3 5 6. But the real problem comes, how are we gonna achieve this? For that, we are using something else, just logical. What are the numbers we are given with? 3 0 0 0. Am I right? Yeah, great. What are we given with? 2 5 and 6. So one approach is, we just took this 6 and put it here at the place of 0. We take this 5 and we place it at the point this 0, and we take this 2, I place there, and we just replace this and this 3 and 2, and the array will be sorted. But how can we do this? For that, we can take an approach. How? Like assume that at 3 we are like 1 2 3. These are m number of elements, that is 3. So indicate them as I. What do I mean by I will tell you later. Just take this 3 as I, this 6 as j, and this 0 as index value. What did I mean by this? Basically, we can go to I till m minus 1 value, j to n minus 1 value, and into m plus n minus 1 value. Hmm. Is it true that, yeah, like it's 0 1 2 3 4 5, 3 plus 3 minus 1 5. Next approach is to replace this 6 with this 0. How can we do this? We can make an approach like, while the value of I is greater than equal to 0 and the value of j is greater than equal to 0. What does it mean? Like, this is 0th value, this is 0th value. So j at this point is 2, at this point is 2. But j is 6. We just compare them. And if array of I, let's say, array of I is greater than equal to array of j, then we can just uh, minus the index and minus the I value. But if it is not like this, yeah, sorry, it is if function basically. Sorry, yeah, this is something like this. And in this, we are given this, where, sorry, this is, we have to put it here. Yeah, and here we have to just replace the value of index with the value of I. What I meant by this program? Yeah, just think, we are given with this array and we are given with this array. So what I'm going to do is compare these numbers and replace that data. Basically, compare z and j values. I, so 3 and 6. Which one is greater? Sorry, one more condition. If upper condition is false, then we will just update the index value to b of j, and again do the same. this. One more case, we will talk about it later. So the value which is larger, we just put it in the index place and come to the next index place. So in 3 and 6, this is 6 is greater. So we just replace this 0 with 6. Okay, we are gonna write it again and again for clarity. 1, 2, 3 and 0, 0 and 6. Great. And now we have 2, 5, sorry, yeah, and 6. Great. But now this 3 is I value. The one which is not replaced will be there. The one which is replaced will subtract by one value. And the one which is replaced, so index value will always decrease by one value. Now this 0 is index value, this is I value, and this is j value. Now compare 3 and 5, 5 is greater. So what will happen? We will write again and again for understand for clarity. 0 and we are 5 and 6. Nice. And 2, 5 and 6. Now what can we see? This has become index value. This is still the I value, and now this has become the j value. 2 is j value, 3 is I value, and 0 is index value. Now we will compare I and j value. 2 and 3, which one is larger? 3 is larger. So this time this 3 will replace this 0. The larger one will replace. So what happens? 1, 2, 3. But now, yeah, 3. And here it is 3, 5 and 6. Great. And in this place 2, 5 and 6. Now you will say there is 3 and here is also 2, but the output was like 1 2 2 3 5 6, but here we are getting 1 2 3 5 3 5 6. You just thinking that this number should be 2 not 3. So what are we going to do this with this? So here now we have to compare these two. So with this comparison we know both are same. So in the case when while j is less than equal to 0, in such a case we just do is I of index is equal to a of I. Is it good? No, we cannot do. We just do this. And what we do next? Well, whatever, this and this. um, I hope you understand why I did this, because just see, I of index is 3 and we want to sort it. So when comparing with this, we can just put any value here. You can put 2 a of I as well. There is no error. But yeah, you can put it out so that we are not left with any other values to compare with. So 3 is 2, and sorry, we have to write it again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 6. And here we have 2, 5 and 6. Now we are not left with any j value, and here I value has become the index value. So we are also not left with any comparison values. And here our sorting is completed. That is, we got our answer 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. And this is how you should make an approach.